Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on another Not a Basic Peach makeup tutorial. This is the second one. The first one will be linked in the description box below. Today I decided to do a really warm but pop of color look with the palettes. All these shades in this palette are catered around kind of warm looks, so I'm loving it. We're using the Milani eyeshadow primer and the e.l.f. high definition powder to set under our eyes to catch fallout. And of course we're using the Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. This palette's awesome. You all need to try it. This is a new one in the line. And all these palettes come with 8 basic shades and 2 transition shades. And I love it. I love it. It has a set out highlight. It has set out transition crease colors, outer corner colors, lid colors. So we're just taking that first transition color there that you saw and applying that in the crease. Wiping off my brush. Now I'm taking this orange shade and applying that around the rim of the transition color so it will have a very nice fade into the highlights. Using the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, applying that all over the lid, blending it out, and I'm going to apply that beautiful blue shade on top. This shade is so pretty. Honestly, I did expect it to be a little bit more pigmented. It's one of the less color payoff shades in the palette. But all the matte shades in the palette are superb. Like, they are amazing. Now I'm just reapplying colors in the crease like I always do. And I'm going to take this coffee brown, espresso brown, dark brown, and apply a little bit of that in the outer corner. I'm blending that out. I'm going to be picking up this nice creamy skin tone shade in the palette, picking that shade up and applying it to the brow bone as my highlight. These shadows, you guys, are so nice and creamy. They're amazingly pigmented to be matte shades. I'm going to take that same color I used in the crease and applying it on the lower lash line to warm that area up as well. I would expect nothing less for Wet n Wild. In these eyeshadow palettes that they do. They're always amazing. They do a great job with mattes. So I'm just wiping away that fallout, reapplying my highlights. Using my Milani eyeliner to tightline the upper rim and the waterline. Using the Covergirl Katy eyeliner in WhisPURR, I'm applying that in the inner corner to brighten things up. But just bring some light in the inner corner. I'm using the AOA Studio Pre-Lash and Hyper Lash Mascara set. It's a mascara set that has a mascara and it has a fiber mascara with it. So similar to the Unique one. I've done a review on this. That will be in the description box below. I do like this mascara. It does give you a lot of length and volume. It really makes it look like you have a full set of lashes. And depending on how much you layer it, how many coats you apply of this mascara, it may end up looking like you have a set of false lashes on. It's a really nice mascara for $2. I'm also going to be picking up the Covergirl Katy Eye Mascara and applying that to the lower lash line. I don't like the fiber mascara on the lower lashes. Here's the finished eye look. Here I'm using the Maybelline Lipstick 550 in Honey Pink. I think it turned out gorgeous. I love that pop of blue on the lid and the warmness of the look. I think this looks perfect for summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed filming it. And definitely try out this Not a Basic Peach palette.